Why is government cybersecurity policy enforcement inconsistent? Imagine trying to follow a map that keeps changing or has missing roads. That's what enforcing cybersecurity policies across government agencies can feel like. It's a puzzle with many pieces that don't always fit together smoothly. One big reason is that there are many different rules from different government agencies. Each one creates its own cybersecurity regulations based on separate laws. These rules often overlap or even conflict, making it hard for organizations to know which to follow. This creates a patchwork of rules that vary depending on the sector or location. For example, the rules for the energy sector might be different from those for transportation or finance. When agencies issue conflicting requirements, organizations get confused and focus more on checking boxes than actually improving security. Another issue is that there is no single, unified set of standards that all agencies agree on. Some regulations are voluntary, meaning agencies can choose whether to follow them or not. This voluntary approach leads to uneven adoption. Agencies with more resources or expertise tend to enforce policies more strictly, while others may struggle to keep up. This creates gaps in security across the government. Technology environments also add to the challenge. Many government systems still run on old legacy infrastructure, mixed with newer cloud and hybrid systems. This mix makes it hard to apply consistent policies. Manual errors and lack of continuous monitoring can leave vulnerabilities unaddressed, which hampers enforcement efforts. Legal ambiguities also play a role. Many cybersecurity rules are based on laws that weren't originally written to cover cybersecurity. Agencies interpret these laws differently, and courts sometimes challenge their authority to enforce certain rules. This legal uncertainty can cause agencies to retract or modify their policies, leading to inconsistency. Resource differences among agencies make enforcement uneven too. Some agencies have dedicated cybersecurity teams with advanced skills and enough funding. Others may have limited staff or outdated technology, making it harder to enforce policies effectively. Finally, enforcement depends on whether policies are mandatory or voluntary. When guidelines are voluntary, organizations might choose whether or not to follow them. Without strict legal requirements, enforcement becomes inconsistent. All these factors combined mean that government cybersecurity policy enforcement varies widely. To fix this, there needs to be clearer legal authority, more harmonized standards, and better coordination across agencies. This way, cybersecurity efforts can be more consistent, especially as new technologies like artificial intelligence become part of government operations. Having unified rules and stronger oversight will help ensure all parts of government are protected equally.